Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. For more Salome tutorial, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button for notification. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to take the mid surface of the pressure vessel. For example, you consider this is a sample pressure vessel cylinder we have. So it has a thickness of 0.2 meter and outer radius is 2.2 meter and inner radius is 2 meter and length is 6 meter. Now we have this sample cylinder with thickness of 0.2 meter. Now we just want to take the mid surface to do the shell element structural analysis or thermal analysis, or to use the shell element we just want to take the mid surface. So how we can take the mid surface using Salome. Now just open the Salome first. So in this tutorial we are going to use the option called surface offset. By using this tool we are going to take the mid surface. So first open the Salome. Just go to the geometry module to create the cylinder. Just go to the sketch. So first outer radius is 2.2 meter. Go to new entity, cylinder. This is I'm going to create it in the x-axis, 0 x-axis. Radius is 2.2 and height is 6. So this is the cylinder we just want to create. Just go here. Yes, just apply it. And one more cylinder we have, that is inner cylinder, that has a radius of 2 meter. Length is same, 6 meter. Just apply and close. Now we have created the cylinder, two cylinders. Outer radius is 2.2 meter and inner radius is 2 meter and length is 6. Now we'll use the boolean option